Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today I'm opening up my Gramma in a box for September. This is what it looks like. I think this is like the third or fourth time I've gotten this box. It is super sweet. I love it. Look at it, there's like little stickers, like a little grandma on there. And it says, proud of you, cool. It like really feels like you're getting something in the mail from grandma or a loved one. So what this box is, it's like you get 3 different activities. You get to make treats. So it's really something you can do with your family. You can send it to your family, just like feel like you're giving them a sweet activity and some sweet treats to eat as well. I think both kids and adults alike would enjoy this, especially if you're doing them together, like with your kids. I don't have any, but I still enjoy the subscription. So the first month is $10 and then it is $20 a month thereafter. So I will link them down below. I'm also going to link down below some giveaways I have going on. They're actually beauty giveaways. I have a giveaway going on in my Ipsy Plus and also in my Box Deluxe video, and those both end the 20th. So depending on when this video goes up and when you're watching it, you have some time to enter. All of my giveaways on this channel are open international. I want all of you to be included, so definitely check those out. Anyways, let's get unboxing and see what we got for September. So based on feedback in previous videos, you guys want to see me actually make these treats. So right now I'm going to do the unboxing portion, and then I will include like some video clips and photos at the end of the video after I had made these treats. I'll probably make at least one tonight after dinner, and then the next day, maybe I'll make all of them tonight. I don't know. Maybe sounds really good. We'll see what we have in here. But yeah, so thank you for your feedback. I'll definitely include that at the end. It may look a little different depending on it, and it'll probably be like with my iPhone, so if the quality's not the same as right now, I apologize, but yeah, it's a lot easier that way. So when you open it up, everything is wrapped up in tissue, and there's a little Gramma in a box sticker. And then underneath that, this is what you see. So it's got everything you need for your crafts, your making treats. So let's get all this out and find the card. You know what? I think the cards are actually missing the instructions from the box. Usually it's right on top. I'm not seeing it. So I'll go over what we have in here, and then I'll pull up their website on my phone. It's like on the chart, you have to grab it. But that's interesting. Usually they have like specific cards, or like pre-made cards are super cute. They give you step-by-step instructions on how to make your treats. So yeah, I don't see it anywhere in here, but maybe it's on their website. I wouldn't mind if they're saving paper and that's the case, but I'll just kind of show you what we have in here, and then I'll grab my phone and check that out. So we have some melting chocolate. They package everything like individually and so cute. We have like a little stick here. I didn't get that out of the box. Some wax paper to do your projects on. Looks like we have some cookies. More cookies of different shapes and letters and stuff like that. Some marshmallows. Some like wafers. These look really good. 3 different colors frosting. So we have blue, red, and yellow, and I love how they send this so you can just clip off the bottom and squeeze it. Super easy and convenient. We have some little chocolate morsels here. Looks like we have an assortment of like pretzels and little leaves. And then we have different types of sprinkles. So we have like the traditional looking sprinkles, like the little rounds. And then we have this kind and a little blue one. So that is everything that came in here. Let me see if I can get the information on what the actual projects are, because I was really hoping to do these on camera, but if I don't have the steps, I'll email them if I don't, but one sec. I don't see on their website, so I will send an email to Terry, the owner, but when I did pull up their website, there was a little bit more information I can give you guys right now. It says, what's in my box? Each month you will receive 3 cooking candy crafts with almost everything you need for a fun activity for kids of all ages. All boxes include homemade cookies, frosting, and sprinkles, as well as candy activities such as marshmallow pops, chocolate dipped pretzels, and more. There's enough for 15 to 20 finished cookie and candy treats each month. Most boxes have a holiday theme, and the candy and cookie projects will reflect the theme. Boxes generally ship the first week of each month. Any orders received by the 3rd of any month will automatically receive that month's box. And on the cards that are normally included in the box, they give allergen information, which I think is super important and awesome that they do that. So I'm looking at my most recent email with Grandma Terry, as she calls herself, and she says, if you want to check out my full-length videos for each of the 3 projects, be sure to click on my Facebook or YouTube links. So I'll probably tell her I didn't get the cards, but I can go on her social media and follow the directions later on, so that is what I will do. So that concludes the unboxing portion. Normally I would like read to you about the projects, but I guess I'll have to do that later. It's okay, things happen. But yeah, so I will catch you later on when I'm doing the projects. So right after I finished filming that last clip, I emailed Terry, the owner of Gramma in a Box, and like within 2 hours she emailed me back and sent me the instructions. So that was great customer service. And that same night I did make a few of the treats. I had a friend over that helped me and I kind of failed. So I'm just going to go over what the theme was and stuff like that, and then I will include some photos. So don't judge me too harshly. I am clearly not too good at this, but I'm learning and it was a lot of fun. So September 2019, the theme was back to school treats. It says, welcome to the September Gramma in a Box. This month we have 3 new projects with the back to school theme, including wafer pencils, teacher's apple, and ABC cookies with frosting and sprinkles. I'd love to see how your treats turn out, so please send me some photos. Have fun with your cookie and candy crafts from Gramma. Be sure to read through all 3 project cards before you start. It's important to read everything because I missed something important, you'll see. I'm working on a Halloween theme for next month. If you already subscribed, thank you. If not, the deadline is October 3rd for the next box, and we'll ship the first week of every month. Thank you for helping us grow. Again, that link will be down below if you guys are interested. Make sure you want the Halloween box to subscribe by then. And again, your first box is $10. So the first project was wafer pencils. It says for this project you will need the wafer cookies, melting chocolate, chocolate chips, and red sprinkles. You will also need a small bowl for sprinkles, spoon and microwave, and a small microwave safe bowl. So I will include a photo if you want to see what I did. I'm guessing I'll just put it somewhere up here. So it says unpack the wafer cookies and the chocolate chips and lay them off to the side. Pour the red sprinkles into a small bowl. And then it says pour the chocolate discs into a small microwave safe bowl and heat in the microwave on high for 1 minute. Stir with a spoon and repeat for 15 seconds until the chocolate is completely melted. You may have to do another 15 seconds depending on your microwave. Do not overheat or you will scorch your chocolate. I scorched the hell out of my chocolate. So I was able to make the pencils, you can see, because I had to dip. It says carefully dip the square end of the wafer cookie into the melted chocolate. So this was a little hard since I really like royally messed up the chocolate. Like it turned from white to like brown and it was like not a good consistency. So I was able to make them, but yeah, it wasn't, it smelled like burnt food. I don't know, I feel like everything burnt just smells the same. So yeah, I kind of messed it up. So it says, while you're still holding the wafer cookie, dip the point end of the wafer cookie into the melted chocolate, lay on wax paper, then quickly push a chocolate chip onto the end. This will look like the lead in a pencil. So I was able to do all of that, and then it says let the pencil set up on the wax paper for at least 5 minutes. So the next project is called Teacher's Apples, and this is the one I didn't do because this one needed that chocolate, and also it contained marshmallows, and I do not eat marshmallows because of the gelatin component. But it says for this project you will need the package of marshmallows, a container of pretzel sticks and candy leaves, the white popsicle stick along with leftover red sprinkles and melted chocolate. If necessary, reheat the melting chocolate for 15 seconds. And then it just gives all of the directions. It looks really cute, but again, sorry I did not do that one, so I don't have pictures to show. And then the last project is making cookies, and that I was able to make and eat and consume. So back to school cookies. It says for this project you will need the cookies, frosting, and sprinkles from your box. You also need scissors, a small paper plate, 1 or 2 knives for spraying frosting, and toothpicks for decorating techniques. So we didn't decorate them super pretty, but we were able to make them, so I will include a picture up here. So that was super fun actually. Like this was super fun. I'll try and take like actual videos next time. I was doing it kind of late at night, like over some drinks with a friend. And it was just dark, and once I messed up the first part, it was just like, okay, yeah, no. So I also got all of the like ingredients, the allergen information, all of that. So I think that's great that they include that. I think I mentioned that earlier. So yeah, so that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I had a lot of fun, even though I did mess up part of that project, but yeah. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Again, I will leave the link to the subscription box down below, along with any giveaways I have going on, and all my social media links and all that good stuff, always down in the description box. So anyways, I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!